Merry Christmas, everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Balboa's Backyard Bites. We got Sam here from Jack's Packet, and wait till you see what he's got for your holiday meal.
Hey, I'm Sam, and I'm with Jack's Packet. I'm here today to work on some of this Balboa equipment, and I got a beef tender trimmed and tied. I got some stuffed chicken breast, got some twice baked potatoes, got a couple of our Christmas sides, our French onion green bean, and the sweet potato casserole. So we got our chicken breast here, and I got it all trimmed out and ready, and I got some rice dressing that we get from Boute's out of Lumberton. It's a great product. I'm just gonna take some of this, I'm gonna stuff it in the middle here. I'm gonna wrap this chicken up, take this piece of bacon, and I'm just gonna wrap it right around it. And I got a couple toothpicks here, and just like that, you have a stuffed chicken breast. Now I'm gonna take this chicken breast and throw it on this beautiful green egg here. These are also marinated with Italian dressing and paprika. Gives it a little bit of color. So we're gonna drop these in, and these are gonna cook for 45 minutes at 350. And then I'm gonna take these twice baked potatoes that we've already prepared, got them wrapped in foil, and I'm just gonna pop these on the grill too and let them heat up here. They can also be done in the oven, but since we have this wonderful grill here, we're just gonna use it. We're gonna let that go for 45 minutes. So my family bought Jack's Packet from the Fertitta family in March of '05, and we've almost hit 20 years this next year. Our meals make it really easy for families that are busy, obviously, to come in. They just grab the casseroles out of the case, and they can continue with their busy activities of trying to get through the week all the time. And we like to work with the community with doing different events. I like to host food trucks on Saturdays that we give a free spot in our parking lot. Anytime there's a hurricane, we basically stay in town. As long as we have power, we're gonna be there and help feed you during those tough times. So the beef tenderloin is our #1 item for Christmas. We do sell some that are just trimmed and tied and raw. What I'm gonna show you today is how we season it up and we sear it, and then whenever you pick it up, it's in a pan, and all you gotta do is finish it for 40 minutes at 350, and it comes out perfect in your home. I'm gonna take a little olive oil, splash it down a little bit, rub it all down, and then I'm gonna take our house seasoning. This is a salt, pepper, garlic powder, 1:1 ratio, and then I'm just gonna season this up. This is a beef tender. You don't need a lot of seasoning, less is more kind of thing. And then we're just gonna take this and we're gonna sear it up on the grill here. And this griddle is doing a great job of getting a nice even sear. Nick was telling me that there's a 1-inch plate underneath this, I believe, and it's a cast iron plate, and it's giving this nice even sear that you can just see going down this beef tender, and it's a work of art here. So on our Christmas menu, we have a lot of sides. We have like broccoli cheese rice, French onion green bean, the sweet potato casserole, potatoes au gratin, cornbread dressing, mac and cheese, mashed potatoes, spinach madeleine, and I'm definitely leaving out some, but we have a very big list of sides available in different sizes. We have a 1-quart size that feeds 4 to 6, and we have a 9x13 that feeds about 15 to 18. All right, it's been about 45 minutes, so we're gonna check on these chicken breasts on this green egg and see where we're at. Looking pretty good. Got a nice little char to it, and we got the potatoes here too. All right, so we got everything in front of us here. This is our seared up beef tender, which is also right here. This has been finished in the oven like we talked about. I got some twice baked potatoes. I got the French onion green bean. I got the sweet potato casserole and a couple of stuffed chicken breasts here. I think, Nick, you want to start off with this beef tenderloin?
I'm ready to try that
All right,
tenderloin.
dig in, buddy.
Great flavor.
Cut it with a fork. Huh?
Actually, yeah, very tender. Thank you. And just salt and pepper?
And garlic.
And garlic,
Yeah.
gotta have that garlic.
And the olive oil helps out too, but yeah.
Definitely. Man, I wanna thank you for coming out. Really appreciate it. Thank you all for watching. We'll see y'all next season.